In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a table in Notion. If you are organizing information in Notion, there may be times when you want to reuse an existing table without rebuilding it from scratch. The good news is that Notion makes this very simple, and there are two easy ways to do it depending on what you need. You can either duplicate the table on the same page or copy and paste it onto a different page. Let's start with duplicating a table on the same page. First, move your cursor over the table. When you do that, a 6-dot handle will appear on the left side of the block. This handle is what gives you access to block options in Notion. Click on that handle to open the block menu. From the menu, select Duplicate. As soon as you click it, Notion will create an identical copy of that table, including all of its existing data. The new table will appear immediately below the original one, which makes it easy to confirm that the duplication worked. From there, you can leave it where it is, or drag and drop the copied table anywhere else on the same page. This is especially useful if you want to create a similar section quickly while keeping the same structure and content. Now let's look at the second method, which is best when you want to place the table on a completely different Notion page. Start by clicking the 6-dot handle next to the table so the entire block is selected. Once it's highlighted, use the keyboard shortcut to copy it. On Windows, press Ctrl and C on Mac. Press Command and C after that. Navigate to the page where you want the table to go. Take a moment to click the exact block location where you want it to be inserted. This part matters, because Notion will paste the table wherever your cursor is active. Once you are in the right spot, paste the table using Ctrl and V on Windows, or Command and V on Mac. That's it. Whether you duplicate the table on the same page or copy and paste it to another page, both methods preserve the table and its data, which saves time and keeps your workspace consistent. If you are working with templates, recurring projects, or repeated layouts, this can be a very efficient way to stay organized in Notion. And that's how to copy a table in Notion.